Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This is a good day. I am going to be turning off all of my ASICs, okay? Not only in this basement here, but we'll go to my other basement as well where I have other ASIC miners there. So what's happening is, if you're probably judging by the title, I'm not getting rid of my ASICs, but I am going to be turning them off because I am going to get them hosted. And at the same time, I'm going to be driving them to the hosting place that's near me. Well, not really near me, but a good 10 to 12 hours away drive. So I'm going to be doing that this weekend. I guess depending when you guys watch this video, I might be there already. But anyways, I am wanting to then, once I get rid of my ASICs from my basements here, in the other basement, I will then start getting my GPUs on, okay? And then, so for here in this location, I have four 30 amp 240 volt circuits. So a good amount of power, I would say a good 23,000 watts, 24,000 watts or something that I can utilize for my GPUs. Granted, there are a couple ASICs I am keeping. Okay, so I do have a K7, D9, and the Z15 Pro. So these three are coming along with me, okay, that I'm gonna get hosted. I'll explain who the hosting company is after till I deliver them. Unfortunately, I will not be able to vlog there or anything, but I will tell you guys later who I'm getting hosted with once it's all said and done and they're all up and running. Okay, so, and then I have the E9. This is the $10,000 E9 back in the day. I am gonna keep this here because I'm still keeping track of this, okay? I do want to do another video of letting you guys know which like mining software or like a website or I don't know, just a centralized area where I'm having all my ASICs pointed to for mining. And I'm basically converting all the crypto that these are mining into Bitcoin, okay? So, you know, the K7 CKB, D9's Dash, and then the Z15 Pro is Zcash or Horizon. So I will talk about that in another video. But anyways, let me take these down and I will see you guys in my other crypto mining location where I need to turn off those ASICs and talk about what we're doing over there. Okay, so take out the network. Even though the power doesn't draw down, they're still mining full bore, thinking that they're still connected. Terrible, just terrible, Bitmain. They need to be better at coding at this stuff. But anyways, guys, I'll see you at the other basement. I'm gonna bring these along with me. Okay, bros, we are at my other mining location. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ASICs here. Actually 7, including the ice rivers, but I am actually keeping the ice river, this is the KS2 here. Okay, I'm keeping this here. So what am I gonna bring over? All right, so I got the E9 Pro. All right, this is the long, huge E9 Pro. It's extremely heavy. I'm glad I don't have to deliver this because I really don't think it would make it. It's extremely heavy. I have another E9 Pro that I'm gonna get hosted as well, but it does have the Fruitions Design fan shroud kit, which I do have to take off because the hosting place is not going to allow this. So unfortunate, I'm gonna have to take these down. Hopefully I can put these on for the, oh, my light turned off. Hello, I'm still here. I'm still, come on. I'm still here. There we go, okay. So, E9 Pro, okay. I have a S19J Pro 104 terahash model. This is good, yeah, I'm gonna bring this. I have Antminer L7 with the fan shroud kit. This is also coming with me. Sorry, the fan shrouds are not coming. This is gonna be off. I gotta put on stock fans. And we have an S19 XP. This one has to come off as well, the Fusions design kit. But I love these kits. These have been really good in keeping quiet. The other sounds you guys are hearing are the other ASICs that have, you know, the stock Bitmain fans right now, especially this KS2. This KS2 is pretty loud. Anyways, the last ASIC here is another S19J Pro 104 terahash. That's coming as well. So in total, okay, I had 6 ASICs here, right, including the other 6 ASICs, sorry, 5 ASICs here. So 11 in total that I am bringing over. Okay, so I got another S19J Pro here, a Antminer Z15, Antminer D9, K7, and a S19K Pro. Okay, so 11 different ASICs all together. I guess 3 of them are S19J Pro 104 terahash models, which are running on low power mode. Okay, and as of recording, I think Bitcoin just went up to $34,000 or something insane. And so, man, I'm extremely sad that I have these off right now. And I'm gonna be turning those off actually right now. And I'm gonna place them all along here, and I just need to inventory and get the serial numbers and all that kind of stuff. So, you know what? I just wanna see all of them in a line. Let me go ahead and take these down. I guess I gotta turn off my exhaust fan. And just gonna take a look here at all the power I am using. You guys haven't seen this for a while. So we got 5,600 watts here, 5,300 watts, and 5,000 watts. Okay, so that we're pretty much utilizing pretty much max capacity, pretty much there on 3 30 amp 240 volt circuits. All right, now some of you guys are gonna ask, Red Panda, once you get these other ASICs hosted, am I gonna have like my GPU rig, mining rigs coming here? And no, I'm gonna keep this as ASICs because this area, okay, which is, man, it's really loud right now behind all these fans, is that because this area that I created just for my ASICs, right, these ones before, is that this area here is pretty, I would say, insulated in a way where my office, like my regular area up there, is right above here. And I actually don't hear my ASICs here. But if I had my ASICs over in the other areas, okay, right? You guys see I have like a ceiling here. It's not a drop ceiling, but there's insulation in here and another floor, right? But when I put a loud ASIC over here, okay, you guys know where my, a lot of my GPUs and stuff, and low power mining rig shelf, okay, with a lot of like, random stuff, phones and KS0s, evergreens, and little tiny, iPolo stuff. When I put an ASIC here, I can actually hear it from upstairs, okay? Above here is like, I think one of my living room and, walkway to the front door. So it's like, I can hear an ASIC when I stand above here. Normally when I do like, unboxings and reviews of ASICs here, man, everything's all messy, sorry. I can hear the ASIC up there. So that's why I want to keep, another reason why I'm getting rid of them, most of you probably know already, I've talked about it, is that I am getting ready to, have newer ASICs come in, okay? And they're eventually going to go here. So that's why I'm getting rid of my older ASICs per se, just getting them hosted elsewhere so that I can, essentially have them, make me money, essentially. And as well, the lower cost per kilowatt hour where I'm getting them hosted is much lower than where I'm hosting myself here. So it's, I guess, imperative for me to do that, right? Have those ASICs getting hosted while I can get a new influx of new miners in the next year, maybe in the next couple months or something. I'll know, like all of these are from Crypto Miner Bros. One of them is from Coastal Crypto, the E9. And yeah, Crypto Miner Bros, seriously, I'm really appreciative of them. They have truly, really supported my channel, and I cannot thank them enough. All right, you guys go check them out if you are interested. Link down below. Crypto Miner Bros, thank you again. All right, let me go ahead. Let me take down everything off that shelf and place it right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap. Okay. All right, all the ASICs are off. Here's the L7. S19 XP, E9 Pro, E9 Pro, S19K Pro, 120 terahash, K7, D9, Z15 Pro, S19J Pro, 104, S19J Pro, and another S19J Pro, all 104 models right here. Okay, there you guys go. 11 ASICs here on the floor. Oh man, I don't know if my rental vehicle that I'm renting is gonna be able to fit all of these. It's gonna go into one of those, you know, those Tahoes or Escalade, you know, those like extended, I forgot what the model is called. Anyways, let me know if you guys think I can fit all these 11 ASICs in one of those vehicles. All right, I'm gonna have a fun time taking off the Fruitions Design kits here. The E9 Pro, S19 XP, and L7. Thank goodness I kept all the stock fans, and I actually, hopefully I have the stock PSU fans, because I think some of the fans I did take out, but then, no, the fans are in there, okay, the PSU fans, but they're just not plugged in. So I'm gonna have a fun time taking apart the PSU, all that kind of stuff, putting the fans back in. Man, that's gonna be fun. Maybe I'll do a live stream just taking these apart and putting the stock fans on. Maybe that's too much trouble. But another thing I need to do is clean these up, because there has been like a bunch of dead moths flying into the L7 and XP, and I didn't see much in the E9 Pro. But yeah, these two, I think it's because I had these on longer. The moths have been flying through the AC Infinity fans here, which, man, just look how much longer these kits make the ASIC miner. Okay, and you know what, a funny thing I noticed, you know, all of these models here, okay, L7, S19, XP, E9 Pro, you know, all these models, okay, they are, like, the base is like the same size, okay, so the S19Js have like the same base size as the Z15 Pro, D9 same size, K7 same size, the S19K is the same size. Now the E9 Pros are a little bit taller, okay, but similar base size here, okay, same with the XP and same with the L7, but the difference between majority of these is going to be this part here. A lot of these, depending on how long the hash boards are, there's this like extension, okay, that comes out, okay, the hash boards go all the way up into this part here, and yeah, so a lot of these models, see how big the L7 is? It's not as long as like an XP. Of course, the E9 Pros are extremely, you can see the length, and they're extremely heavy as well. S19 XP, K7, D9, see all different lengths when it comes to this, okay? Z15, S19J Pros, 3 of them all the same. So I thought I'd point that out. I thought that was pretty funny. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. The next video I'm planning on doing is talking about how I am gonna essentially manage all of these, okay, in a way which, you know, since they're all so many different variety of ASICs, I had a hard time thinking about a place where I wanted to point them to, and I wanted to manage them easily. I can see them all in like one web GUI. I was thinking of NiceHash, but you know, actually NiceHash is not the winner. Okay, I'm gonna talk about that in another video. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. Let me know your thoughts of all this ASIC glory, and yeah, this is just crazy, and I'm gonna be sad to see them go, but I need to make room for new ASICs coming up and get my GPUs on. Okay, see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Oh crap, I forgot about this one. Oh, this one has to come out. I really gotta take this E9 Pro apart.